You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Now in the next lab, we will be working with deleting messages. Now, I'm going to go quickly to my browser here, open a new incognito tab, or alternatively, I could also just log in here. And instead of the administrator, I log in as Tom Hanks. Thanks. I can sign in. And you can see that I don't have any emails or anything here. But I can click on anything. I can just send a new email to my own self. Or I can click on email on the sent items here. I can click on this email and I can click on delete. And that is how I can delete it. Similarly, I can also log in as Daniel Craig. And delete the received email like this one here. I can mark it, I can delete it. Now I'll find it under my deleted items here, and I'm going to delete it from even my these items, my deleted items, where I'm permanently deleting them. Now, same for the other user as well, for Tom Hanks as well, where I sign out again. I go back to Thanks. Password 1350. Now the one that we deleted here, the earlier one that we deleted and it was visible here, it's called a soft delete. What we are doing here is a hard delete. Now, apart from this, we do not want to do anything. If I click on recover deleted items, I'll get these options and I get the option of purge here. I click on purge. Select the message, click on purge. And OK. And that is how you delete things completely. Now, you can do the same thing for Daniel Craig or any other user in your entire environment here. But remember one thing. In real life situations, doing this is considered to be illegal. Number one, because it works on different levels here. We do not want to remove messages from the server because it can be considered as tampering with evidence or tampering with data. And it is in case of any legal battles, those kinds of activities can be considered as a little bit sketchy. So keep that in mind and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.